How to add products in Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add products in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open up your Shopify store and it'll take you to your admin right here. In order to add a product, you're going to navigate to the product section. Then you're going to click on add product. It will take you to the window to add a new product. So here we have to enter all of the details. First of all, enter your title. Then you're going to enter the description for the product you are adding. For now, I'm going to write the word description. Moving on, we have our media. Here you will upload your images for the product. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once the image is uploaded, you're going to scroll down to the pricing and enter the pricing right here. Then you're going to compare the pricing as well if you want to. Enter the cost per item. Move to inventory where you will enter your SKU, a barcode. You can also select your inventory will be stocked at multiple locations or if you're getting from CJ Dropshipping or Spocket. Moving on, we have quantity of products from where you will be getting your products. You will enter your details here. Then we have shipping where you have to enter your weight for the dress that you're giving or any product that you have. Moving on, we have custom information where you will enter your country, region, and you have to also enter your HS if you want. It's optional. Then we have different options. If you click right here, you will be able to create variants to a product. For example, we can go with the sizes. I have created a variant for the size right here. Click on done and you can see 3 new variants have been created. Now I can of course edit them out. It shows me my search engine listing as well. Once you have entered all of the details right here, you can also enter a product category here. You can create a category. You can enter a vendor, collection, or even create tags. Then you're going to click on save and your new product will be created on Shopify and it will be added to your product list. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.